From our lab to your dance floor. Two minds.
Two minds.
Two minds. One beat. Let's go. Stitch it together. Wire the bass. Turn up the voltage. Let it take shape. Power rising. Sound colliding.
Two minds.
Two minds.
Two minds.
Two minds.
Two minds.
Two minds. FrankenDoug. Two minds.
One sound.
FrankenDoug. Turn it up.
Shake the ground.
Built from lightning stitched in beat. Feel that thunder in your feet. FrankenDoug. Hear it now. We don't stop. We don't bow. Glasses shaking, sparks ignite. Circuits screaming through the night. Hands that build what can't be tamed. No one leaves here quite the same. Feel it crawling up your spine. This creation now is mine. FrankenDoug. Two minds.
One sound.
FrankenDoug. Turn it up.
Shake the ground.
FrankenDoug. Two minds.
One sound.
FrankenDoug. Turn it up.
Shake the
Warning. Overload detected. Containment failing.
It's too strong.
Crank it higher.
Don't shut it down.
Let it break.
Let it pound.
Two minds. One sound. FrankenDoug. Feel that shockwave through the floor. FrankenDoug. Give them more.
Give them more.
I am the rhythm. I am the beat. I am the pulse beneath your feet. You built me. Now set me free.